Here is a beginner-level Operations Manager quiz that covers customer satisfaction and service excellence, strategic planning and decision-making, and continuous improvement and innovation. Let's go! Question 1. Which metric is commonly used to measure customer satisfaction? A. Net Promoter Score, NPS, B. Market share, C. Inventory turnover rate, and D. Cost variance. The answer is Net Promoter Score, NPS. Question 2. What is the primary goal of service excellence in operations management? A. Maximizing profits at any cost. B. Providing consistent, high-quality customer experiences. C. Reducing employee workload. And D. Increasing product pricing. The answer is providing consistent, high-quality customer experiences. Question 3. Which of the following is a customer retention strategy? A. Ignoring customer feedback. B. Increasing service fees without explanation. C. Delaying customer service responses. And D. Personalizing customer interactions and services. The answer is personalizing customer interactions and services. Question 4. Which factor is most important for maintaining customer loyalty? A. Competitive pricing alone. B. High product variety. C. Consistent service quality and responsiveness. And D. Aggressive sales tactics. The answer is consistent service quality and responsiveness. Question 5. A decision-making process that involves analyzing data to guide strategy is called A. Gut feeling decision-making, B. Data-driven decision-making, C. Randomized planning, and D. Crisis management. The answer is data-driven decision-making. Question 6. What is the key benefit of strategic planning in operations management? A. Reducing short-term expenses only. B. Eliminating employee decision-making. C. Increasing daily tasks without optimization. And D. Aligning business goals with long-term growth strategies. The answer is aligning business goals with long-term growth strategies. Question 7. Which tool is commonly used for strategic decision-making in business? A. SWOT analysis. B. Randomized testing. C. Product sampling. And D. Customer churn rate. The answer is SWOT analysis. Question 8. A method used to prioritize decisions based on urgency and importance is called A. The Six Sigma framework, B. The PESTEL model, C. The Eisenhower matrix, and D. The demand forecasting model. The answer is the Eisenhower matrix. Question 9. What is the main advantage of continuous improvement in operations? A. Maintaining outdated processes. B. Ensuring business agility and long-term efficiency. C. Reducing employee involvement. And D. Ignoring market trends. The answer is ensuring business agility and long-term efficiency. Question 10. Which continuous improvement methodology focuses on eliminating waste? A. Lean management, B. Traditional management, C. Cost-intensive growth strategy, and D. Competitive benchmarking. The answer is lean management. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which principle is a key part of Kaizen, continuous improvement? A. Reducing employee participation, B. Major disruptive changes only, C. Incremental improvements over time, and D. Focusing only on cost reduction. The answer is incremental improvements over time. Question 12. Which KPI is used to measure the effectiveness of continuous improvement efforts? A. Employee turnover rate, B. Customer retention rate, C. Revenue per employee, and D. Process efficiency ratio. The answer is process efficiency ratio. Question 13. What is the primary objective of benchmarking in continuous improvement? A. Comparing business processes with industry best practices, B. Cutting operational costs drastically, C. Reducing innovation efforts, and D. Avoiding competitor analysis. The answer is comparing business processes with industry best practices. Question 14. A company that regularly updates its products based on customer feedback is practicing A. Static product development, B. Continuous innovation, C. Market ignorance, and D. Limited R&D strategy. The answer is continuous innovation. Question 15. Which of the following is a barrier to continuous improvement? A. Employee engagement in decision-making, B. Strong leadership support, C. Resistance to change, and D. Agile workflow adoption. The answer is resistance to change. Question 16. Which strategy is best for aligning customer satisfaction with operational goals? A. Delaying customer response times, B. Ignoring customer complaints, C. Focusing only on product cost reduction, and D. Integrating customer feedback into process improvement. The answer is integrating customer feedback into process improvement. Question 17. Which tool helps in tracking and improving service quality? A. Customer satisfaction score, CSAT, B. Market expansion rate, C. Employee promotion index, and D. Cost-benefit analysis. The answer is Customer Satisfaction Score, CSAT. Question 18. Which method helps a company make strategic decisions based on external factors? A. Cost-cutting strategy, B. PESTEL analysis, C. Employee performance reviews, and D. Product sales tracking. The answer is PESTEL analysis. Question 19. Which of the following is not a component of service excellence? A. Proactive problem solving, B. Fast response times, C. Personalized customer interactions, and D. Ignoring customer feedback. The answer is ignoring customer feedback. Question 20. A company that continuously innovates and adapts to market changes is known as A. An agile organization, B. A static organization, C. A cost-focused business, and D. A bureaucratic enterprise. The answer is an agile organization. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.